Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I do have a petition from a constituent of mine named Hajia Zainab Abdulmalik. With your permission, I'll proceed to read the synopsis, please. Thank you. The petitioner is a constituent named Hajia Zainab Abdulmalik, and she petitions against the wanton and illegal demolition of her property and oppression, harassment, and victimization of her person and family by the governor of Kogi State, His Excellency Alhaji Ahmed Usman Ododo, and his government. She alleges that her ordeal began following the decision of her husband, Alhaji Abdulmalik Teina, and his decision to resign his appointment as the Director General of Kogi State Land Bureau following political and social differences with the governor. That immediately after his resignation, the governor christened his wife, Hajia Zainab's property, situated at the center of Okene, and is an Islamic school. He therefore mentioned it to be an ISWAP militants camp, and ordered officials of the state government to demolish the property. Hajia Zainab and her family now live in great fears for their lives and safety. She alleges that unofficial agents constantly trail her life and her family's life, harass and torment them, and that her husband has miraculously survived an abduction in the hands of the government. She now petitions for the Senate's intervention in the belief that the Senate will investigate the matter, order a restitution of her property being demolished, and abatement of the torment that she and her members of her family have been subjected to as a consequence of her husband's decision to resign as an appointee of the governor and the state. With your kind permission, I will proceed to lay the petition.
Is there any legal matter in respect of this case? Is it encumbered by legal intervention?
None, sir.
You may wish to submit the petition.
Thank you.
The petition is referred to the Committee on Code of Conduct, Ethics, and Public Petition to report back within 4 weeks. Any other petition?
Point of order, Mr. President.
No petition, but you have